Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Po from Kung Fu Panda. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the nose. From the center, let's draw two curves going down and out. Now inside, let's draw a curve in the middle, and then curve it around and down from the sides. And then let's color the nose in black. Next, underneath, let's draw a small line down, and then a curve on both sides. Lastly, inside each side, let's draw 3 small dots. Next, to finish drawing the head, let's zoom in. Underneath the nose, let's draw a curve across, and then color the mouth in black. Next, underneath on the left, let's draw a diagonal line down, and a longer one over to the left from the right side. And then close it off at the bottom. Now let's move to the sides and let's draw a small curve down on both sides like this. And that's it for the nose and mouth. Now let's draw the eyes on top. On the top left, let's draw a wavy line over, and then curve it back in. Next, inside, let's draw a curve, and then close it off with a curve at the bottom. Next, inside, let's draw a circle. And then a circle inside on the top left, and a black circle in the center. Now let's move over and let's draw the right eye. For this one, let's draw a curve going upwards, then curve it down and back in. Now inside, let's draw the eye in the same way. A curve going up, and a curve underneath. And again, inside, let's draw a circle. Add a circle inside on the top left, and a black one in the center. Next, let's color both of the areas around each of the eyes in black. Next, on top of each eye, let's draw a curve up and over, and the same thing on the other eye on an angle. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a small curved point up. Then from both ends, let's curve it down and around. And then close off the bottom with a curve for the chin. Lastly, for the head, let's draw the ears on top. On the top left, let's draw a curve up and back down. And the same thing on the right. That's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. Let's start on the sides of the head and let's draw a curve down, Next for the arms, let's move down and let's draw a curve underneath on the left and on the right, leaving a gap in the middle for the hands. Now let's hop back up to the sides of the neck and let's draw a long curve down and back up for each of the arms. Now in the gap in the middle, let's draw the hands. Let's start from the right side and let's draw a curve around and back in to form a fist. And for the left hand, let's draw a curved finger up at the top, another curve on top, and one more curve next to it below on the right. And then let's hop down and let's continue that bottom line up. And that's it for the hands. Now let's hop on top and let's draw a curve across for the top of the belly patch. Next, let's move underneath the arms and let's draw a small line down on both sides. And then a curve across for the top of the pants. Next, from both sides, let's draw another small line down and another curve across. And now inside this section, let's draw some striped lines. Now let's move back to the sides and let's draw a curve down and in. Then near the top in the center, let's draw a curve across in the middle. Next, underneath, let's draw a line down the center and curves across the bottom of each leg. Next, let's move inside and let's draw the shorts. On the left side of the leg, let's draw two V-shaped points up. And then a curve across. And then a curve across on the right leg. Next, let's add the patch pattern on the pants. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a line down. And then draw an X on top. Now on the top left, let's draw an angled line. And then a curve on the right side. Now on the right, let's draw another line out. And then hop to the left and let's draw an angled line. And another angle on top. Now on top of each of these lines, let's draw some small lines for the stitches. And that's it for the shorts. Now let's move down and let's draw the bandages tied around the ankles. Let's start inside the bottom section of the legs and let's draw a curve across. Now inside, let's draw another diagonal curve. And then two more in each of the bottom sections. And that's it for the legs. Now let's move down and draw the feet. Underneath in the center, let's draw a line down. Then let's hop to the sides and let's draw a curve out and down for the tops of the feet. And then close off the bottom of each one with a curve. Next, inside each foot, let's draw another curve across the bottom. Now inside each foot, let's draw a curve. And then 2 angled lines on the heel section. Now let's move up to the front where the toes are, and let's draw a V-shaped point down on both feet. And lastly, let's add the toenails. Along the outside, let's draw a curve down. And then hop in and let's draw one more curve up. And that's it for Po. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!